Today we are going to check the insides of the DPC. DPC takes care of adjusting the pressures before and during cutting. Here are the gas outputs for plasma and shield gases. Remove the screws in here, 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 and here. Take an Allen key and unscrew the top screws first. Then loosen these bottom ones. You don't need to remove them completely. Then slide off the cover. Watch out for these indicator wires. You will find pressure sensors in here, 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 and here. The proportional valves in here, 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 and here. Three solenoid valves can be found in here, here, and here. The electrical parts are the power supply and the main circuit board. Okay, let's remove the proportional valve. Take a D20 screwdriver and unscrew the two screws in the corners. Then take a flathead screwdriver and remove the screw holding the connector. Then just pull out the connector. From the proportional valve, you want to look that the orifices are clean and that the O-rings look good. Also make sure the brass surface is clean and doesn't have scratches. Then make sure that the fixture plate is clean and without scratches. Let's put back the proportional valve. Make sure the O-rings are in place and in good shape. The connector will face to the back of the DPC. One of the pins is flat and wider, that mates with the same shape hole in the connector. Push the connector to the valve body and screw it in place. Then put the valve in place, making sure not to damage or misplace the O-rings. Tighten the screws and you are done. Next, we are going to remove the solenoid valve. Take a 15mm wrench and remove the nut. You can then pull out the hood and coil and then remove the spacer. Then we remove the solenoid body. Use a pair of pliers to loosen the valve body and then just unscrew it with your fingers. On the bottom, the valve should be clean and the O-rings in good shape. Check also that the holes are clean and open. Then, let's put the valve back. Check that the O-rings are in place and in good shape. Then check that the valve is clean and holes open. Place the valve body into the hole and screw it in finger tight. Then tighten with a pair of pliers. Drop the spacer in place, the flat side down. Then the coil and lastly the hood. Last thing to do is screw on and tighten the nut. Don't over-tighten the nut, it's just to hold in the hood. Now we will remove the pressure sensor. First thing to do is remove the cable. There is a small latch that you need to lift and then pull out the connector. Do not pull from the wires. Then take example an adjustable wrench and loosen the sensor body, and when it's loose, remove it with your fingers. Putting back the sensor, you need some Teflon tape on the sensor threads. This is to avoid any leaks through the threads. Make sure that the fixture plate here is clean and that the pit in the sensor looks clean. So, let's first put some tape to the threads. Make sure you put it only to the thread and that the tape cannot tear into the DPC. Then first screw the sensor in place with your hands. Then finish up tightening using a wrench. Then we just need to push in the connector. See that the latch and pins align to the sensor. Then just push it in and the latch should snap in place. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.